Is carpet steam cleaning part of your presale package?
Carpet steam cleaning isn't included by default, but it's one of our most popular add-on services for presale clients, and for good reason. Steam cleaning removes built-up dirt, stains and pet hair, neutralizes odors, smoke, food, moisture, pets, revives tired-looking carpets for photos and inspections, signals cleanliness and freshness to every buyer who walks in. We use professional-grade steam cleaning machines and safe, effective products to treat bedrooms, hallways, lounge rooms, rugs and runners. We recommend steam cleaning for any home with light-colored carpets, pets, tenants or long-term wear, damp or musty smells. Tip: book steam cleaning at least 24 hours before inspections or photography to allow for proper drying time. We've helped homes look and smell brand new just from a proper carpet refresh.